This one digital product, it has over 1,300 sales. You guys, they are selling this for $206, okay? I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars literally with my channel, but these are my two biggest channels. You are not too old, you are not too late, and you are not too behind to start your retirement journey right now. Well, my name is Coach Sam, and I am a faceless channel guru. I teach you guys how to use faceless channels on YouTube and on TikTok to fully retire yourselves. And in this video, I am going to show you how you're going to use Canva and how you're going to use a faceless channel on YouTube to start your retirement journey. Because gone are the days where we are spending more time at our jobs than we are spending time on our own businesses. I am going to show you right now two very quick and easy digital products that you can use on Canva and put them on a faceless channel so that you can make retirement income, so that you are able to leave your 9-to-5 job. Because over here on this channel, we prioritize our retirement. You guys, we are not working hard for anybody else. We are working hard for ourselves, and we are giving the boss the deuces, okay? So if you are a corporate girly or a guy, or if you just want to make a good source of income so that you can live your life no matter where in the world you want to go, and you can do what you want to do with your life, because let me tell you guys something, tomorrow is not promised to any of us. We have to take life by the hand and get to work, okay? And we're gonna work for ourselves, all right? So in this video, like I said before, I'm going to show you the two digital products that you need to start yesterday so that you are able to retire. I use this strategy to bring me over $500,000 across my 10 channels. Yes, I have 10 quick and easy faceless channels on YouTube and on TikTok. And I am going to give you guys the two digital products and the two channels that you need to start in the next couple of days, okay? And like I said before, you guys, this is something that I teach, okay? So not only am I going to teach you here, but I have a full program dedicated to those who want to leave their 9-to-5 jobs, who want to go ahead and retire, who literally want to have extra income for themselves, their families, without working themselves to the bone. This is going to be for you. So I have a whole program that is going to show you step by step how to start your channel, and not only how to start the channel, but how to start making income off the channel. It's going to show you step by step. And you guys, let me tell y'all something else. Everything that you see in this video that I am going to be using is put in that program. And the reason why I did that, you guys, was because I don't want you to have to guess what to put on your channels. I don't want you to have to guess what type of digital products to put there. I want you to be able to have everything that you need. So that's why I built you guys a business in a box, where all you have to do is post from the content that I give you guys, and then you guys, you can literally retire off of this, okay? And I love to do this. I love this so much, you guys, because if you guys are just not joining me, I used to be a realtor, and I used to work 15 hours a day, literally 15 hours a day. And now I have transitioned to only working 20 minutes a day with my channel. So this does work. And not only myself, you guys, but my students have gotten monetized, which I am so happy to say. And you guys, a lot of them have started to make money on these channels, because you guys, the sales come in without you having to work for it. And that is something that I absolutely love. Anytime you do not have to work for that money, Coach Sam loves it. And I want to teach you guys this. And you guys, I do want you to be successful, okay? Before we get into the videos, you guys, we are going to do the inspiration of the day. And the inspiration of the day is God will take these channels into his hand and he will grow them. You guys, I love doing my inspirations of the day, because your inspirations, you guys, you really, I feel like your inspirations of the day is about faith building, and that is what Coach Sam is about. Not only having the faith enough to start your channel, but the faith enough to see your channel through, okay? So you guys, put the inspiration of the day below, but you guys, let's get into the video right now. So now I'm going to show you the 2 digital products that you're going to put on your facelift channel to make your facelift channel an ATM machine so the sales can start rolling in. In fact, you're going to use your facelift channel to promote these digital products so that you can retire, okay? So you guys, let's go right over here. We are now in Etsy, okay? And I want to show you guys something. So look, this one digital product, it has over 1,300 sales. You guys, they are selling this for $206, okay? There are so many others, you guys, like this one. This has over 10,000 sales, and they are selling this budget planner for $190. So what we're going to do, you guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own budget planner. And like I said, you guys, I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars literally with my channel, but these are my 2 biggest channels. And if you're a beginner, these are such easy channels to create. And like I told you guys before, I'm going to show you guys how to easily make these digital products. In fact, these digital products are included within the course, you guys. So within the course, we have a 7,000 digital products, you guys. And I'm going to show you right now how simple, how easy it is to create these on your own. You guys, they're already created. The only thing that you have to do is change the first page, okay? That's the only thing that you have to do. When I tell you guys, I have made this super duper simple, super duper easy, where all you're going to have to do is change the front page and put these on your channel. Watch them create that passive, low effort, no work income, okay? So we're going to go down here, you guys. We are going to go to one of my best ones, you guys. I love this planner, okay? We are going to go right here, you guys. We are going to go into the budget tracker planner. We have the financial planner. We have the budget planner. Pick one of those, okay? You can pick any of those, all right? Pick one of those so that you can literally put this on your channel tonight. Start that faceless channel tonight, okay? So we're gonna go right here. We're going to go to use template, okay? Now we're gonna open this up. And like I told you guys, this has already been created for you. These budget trackers, you can put them on Etsy. You can link them to your digital product and put them into the stand store. You can do all of that. And I prefer the stand store. The stand store, you are able to set your own price. You're also able to set your own price on Etsy, but Etsy has more competition. Your own personal website is where you can set these up and you can make the money off of them, okay? So what we're going to do, you guys, and let me show you how simple and how easy this is, okay? So what you're going to do, instead of it having the budget tracker planner on here, we are going to go to templates and we are going to look for ebook covers, okay? Now with your ebook covers, let me tell you, the secret to this is to find an ebook cover that has a picture inlet. And I'm going to share with you right now, the ones that have a picture inlet is always the coaching ones, okay? So what you do is you go to the coaching ebook covers, okay? These always have a picture inlet. Now, if you want to keep this 100% faceless, all you have to do is put your logo in here. That's all you guys have to do, is literally stick your logo in here. Or you could put your face on here, okay, you guys? So you know I love this one, okay? This has been my go-to one for a very long time. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this over here, and then you guys, they're gonna ask us, do we want to replace the current page or add a new one? We're going to go to replace the current page, okay? So now that you have this up, you guys, this looks like it is your own. This is your own branding, okay? So once you have that together, all you have to do, literally, you guys, all you have to do is stick this right in there, okay? So the ultimate coaching guide, what we're going to do, we are going to go to uploads, okay? Once we go to uploads, what I am going to tell you guys to do is go to a really nice place in your area, take a couple pictures of yourself or have someone take pictures of yourself, you guys, and use that picture. Now, if you guys already know, I used to be a realtor, so I have a lot of professional pictures on here. You do not have to use a lot of professional pictures. You don't have to use a lot of professional pictures, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and you're going to just replace this picture with your own. I'm showing you guys how really super simple and how really super duper easy it is to do this, okay? So we are trying to, you can even put this as a bigger one. Listen, Linda. Okay, so you can either put this as a bigger one or you can put that as a smaller one. It is up to you, whatever you want to do, okay? So you can replace this picture right here, and then you could just simply slip in your own, okay? Simply slip in your own. And let's see if they allow us. Yeah, we're here. Boom. So now it looks like yours. Now, what I like to do is, because I am a creature of branding, what I like to do, you guys, is I like to go ahead and I like to keep my colors the same as well. That is a part of your branding, okay? So and I'm gonna turn this pink. I should turn it like a lilac. Maybe, document colors. Okay, there we go. Really nice, really simple, and really easy. So after you have this, you're like, how are we going to put this on the channel? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to put this on the channel. So what you guys are going to do is you are going to go to, you are going to go to share, and you guys, we are going to go to copy link. We're going to go to template link, okay? So once you go to template link, all you have to do is either put this in Etsy, which I do not want you guys to do. I actually want you guys to put this into Stand Store, Beacons, or any other digital product store. And let me tell you guys, I love the Stand Store. You're able to do this with Stand Store. So you're gonna put this onto the Stand Store, and then you guys, you are going to go ahead and you're going to sell this on your own store where you don't have any competition, and you guys, where you can literally set the price for whatever you want it to be. So that is how super simple, super duper easy that Canva is going to pay your bills. And like I told you guys, I have the budgeting tracker, and I am going to show you guys one more that I use. All right, you guys, and another one that I use is going to be either the self-love journal. You could create manifestation, you could create motivational journals. All that is in this 7,000 digital products. All of that is in there. So you can create the self-love journal, the gratitude journal, the 5-minute gratitude journal, the daily devotional journal, the gratitude journal. You guys, my next channel is that motivational channel. So any one of these can be put on your motivational channel. And like I said before, they do extremely well. These things have brought me in over $50,000 a month without even having to work. So when I tell you guys that this is super duper simple, super duper easy, it is, okay? So if you're a beginner, I want you to use those 2 digital products. And like I said, you guys, come join the program while I teach you guys step by step how to do this. We have classes every single Sunday, and your classes are free with the purchase of your course, you guys. So come on in, come let Coach Sam teach you guys how to do this because I want to see you succeed, and I do not want to see us working. We are not struggling this year. We are living our lives. You guys, I love you guys, and I want you to start. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to leave the link for my course below. Make sure you guys go get it. Get in there and start to live your best life. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!